Meaning of dialysis.
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 Dialysis. Dialysis is a medical treatment used to filter waste and excess fluids from the blood when the kidneys are no longer able to do so. During dialysis, blood is removed from the body and passed through a special filter that removes extra fluids and waste products, then the clean blood is returned to the body. The purpose of dialysis is to maintain proper fluid, electrolyte, and acid-base balance in the body, as well as to remove toxins that build up when the kidneys are not functioning properly. This treatment helps people with kidney failure or severe chronic kidney disease to live longer and feel better.